If you create YouTube videos, live streams, or podcasts, you know the pain. Distributing one piece of content to multiple platforms means endless re-editing, resizing, and re-uploading. Today, I'm sharing my most used AI tool, Repurpose.io. It automatically edits, adapts, and publishes your content everywhere, saving you 80% of your time. Quick heads up, this is an affiliate review. The link in the description is my affiliate link. Using it gets me a small commission at no extra cost to you. In fact, you'll get a special discount that's better than the official price. If you find this tool helpful, using my link is a great way to support the channel. Thank you. So, what does Repurpose do? Simply put, it's the most powerful content automation and distribution tool online. It doesn't just edit, it batch recreates your content automatically. Upload a long video once, and it will auto-crop for every platform, generate highlight clips with AI, add captions, and schedule posts across all your accounts. Let's break down its best features. First, automatic platform adaptation. No more manual resizing for Shorts, LinkedIn, or Reels. Repurpose handles it perfectly with one click. Second, AI smart clipping. It automatically finds the most valuable moments in your video and splits them into multiple ready-to-post short clips. Perfect for reviews and tutorials. Third, auto captions and watermark removal. It generates accurate English captions to boost watch time and cleans up your videos to look more professional and native to each platform. And fourth, automated workflows. Set your rules once, and every time you upload a new video, the system will automatically edit, schedule, and publish everything for you. Okay, let me walk you through it. First, log in and connect all your social accounts: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn. It's a simple one-click connection process. Next, let's create a new workflow. We'll choose our source, a YouTube long-form video, and our destinations, Shorts, TikTok, Reels, and LinkedIn. Now set up your template. Auto-crop, add captions, remove watermarks. You can even create title and description templates so you never have to write them manually again. Save the workflow, and that's it. From now on, every new YouTube video will automatically be turned into multiple short clips and distributed everywhere. It's a massive time saver. Let's talk price. The free plan lets you publish 10 videos a month, perfect for testing it out. The starter plan is great for solo creators, and the pro plan is for those who do bulk content. If you manage multiple accounts or run an affiliate business, go pro. And remember, use my link for a special discount that's cheaper than buying directly from the site. Now for my honest thoughts, the pros are obvious. It's a huge time saver. Automation is top-notch and it supports nearly every platform. It's ideal for affiliate content at scale.